Managing your money effectively starts with consistency, and using stashaway is one of the most efficient ways to grow your savings. The best stashaway deposit routine is built around automation, goal setting, and disciplined timing. The first step is determining your monthly saving capacity. Look at your monthly income and expenses, then decide on an amount you can consistently invest. Even $100 a month can accumulate significantly over time when invested wisely. Once you know your deposit amount, set up an automated deposit schedule. Automation is crucial because it removes the temptation to skip months or divert funds elsewhere. Most stashaway users find that aligning deposits with their payday works best. For example, if you get paid on the 1st and 15th of the month, scheduling two smaller deposits of $50 instead of a single $100 deposit ensures steady growth while maintaining cash flow flexibility. Consistency is more important than timing the market. Depositing regularly, regardless of market conditions, allows you to take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Over time, this reduces the impact of market volatility and grows your portfolio steadily. Stashaway also allows you to adjust your risk profile, so aligning your deposit routine with your long-term goals is essential. Aggressive portfolios may require slightly higher deposits to match expected growth, while conservative portfolios focus on steady, low-risk accumulation. Tracking progress is equally important. Reviewing your portfolio monthly ensures your deposits align with your goals and performance. Adjusting contributions upward when income increases accelerates growth. Keeping a clear routine of consistent, automated deposits, aligned with realistic saving targets, and paired with regular performance reviews is the most effective way to maximize returns on stashaway. With this approach, you turn disciplined investing into a habit, ensuring your financial goals are met without stress or overthinking.